Oh my god! Shit! 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 Ah! He has a gun! God, what's happening? I'm not worth it, man. I'm not.
He's got a gun.
Whoa, hang on now. Calm down.
911, please state your emergency.
It's not me, man. I don't even know you.
No, please.
911, what's your emergency?
I don't even know you.
911, what is your emergency? Somebody's shooting! This can't be happening!
CTOS can't authorize. Initializing search for suspect now. CTOS scan is acting up. Stand by.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Get out!
Hold on, we've got a tech issue with the CTOS scan. Squad to all units, CTOS scan has turned up nothing. We lost him.
No, my poor baby!
Hey, take it easy.
What?
It came out of nowhere. Some guy at work suggested she try it. Now she loves it. Weird. She has 2 swords. They cost her.
Hey, would you like one? They're going out of business, sir.
You are good to go. Your ride is ready for pickup.
What's his problem?
You're not thinking about skipping town, are you? I hope not.
No, I'm not leaving.
A stern warning from the Chicago Police Chief to the vigilante. You are not above the law. Fueled by recent vigilante actions and complaints from angry citizens, the police department has vowed not to rest until the vigilante is arrested. But for some, that raises the question, how much of the police force is now dedicated to finding one man. And what strain does that put on regular police service? I think we can all agree the sooner the vigilante is brought to justice, the better. For the vigilante? You're not alone. A recent WKZ opinion poll shows that a majority of people disapprove of the vigilante's actions, and police are pleased with the new trend. Sergeant David Walsh explains, in a world now fueled by social media, a vigilante is an especially dangerous character. We don't want to see any Me Too spring up, because we'll most likely see them locked up or on a morgue slab. This man is anything but a hero.